Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss what ChatGPT is and what you can do with it. ChatGPT was first introduced by OpenAI in February 2019. It quickly became one of the most popular NLP models in the world, with remarkable performance in text generation and understanding human language. Since then, OpenAI has continued to develop and improve ChatGPT, releasing larger and more advanced models in the following years, which have enabled users to benefit from new ways of utilizing NLP technology in their applications. This is part of a new generation of artificial intelligence systems that can converse, generate readable text on demand, and even produce novel images and videos based on what they have learned from a vast database of digital books, online writings, and other media. Unlike previous iterations of so-called big language models, such as OpenAI's GPT-3 released in 2020, the ChatGPT tool is available for free to anyone with an internet connection and is designed to be more user-friendly. ChatGPT is an advanced language model based on transformer technology, which has been trained on a huge corpus of text taken from the internet with the aim of answering people's questions in a coherent and natural way. This model was developed by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research organization. ChatGPT works by analyzing the context of the question and using information learned from its training corpus to generate a relevant answer. The model can be used in a variety of applications such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and information services. While ChatGPT is capable of generating coherent and plausible answers to a large number of questions, the model also has limitations. For example, it may not always understand sarcasm or irony, and it may search for information that is incorrect or outdated due to the date it was trained. ChatGPT is an important model in the development of NLP technology, advancing towards human-computer conversations, this being more natural and effective. What is NLP? NLP, or Natural Language Processing, is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. The purpose of NLP is to enable human-computer communications through natural language as spoken or written by humans. You are probably wondering what this artificial intelligence software can be good for. Well, ChatGPT can be used in a variety of applications and purposes, including chatbots. Can be integrated into a chatbot to answer customer questions and provide 24/7 support. Information services might be used to provide relevant information on various topics such as news, products, or services. Text generation can be used to generate coherent and plausible text in different fields such as product descriptions or business letters. Conversations with users can be integrated into an application to enable natural conversations between users and computers. Sentiment analysis can be used to analyze the sentiment in text such as product reviews or user comments. And other NLP applications can be used in combination with other NLP techniques such as machine translation or text summarization to increase the accuracy and efficiency of these applications. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, said that the system is the first demonstration of what's possible. Soon, you will be able to have helpful assistants that can talk to you, answer your questions, and give you advice. Later, you will be able to have something that can live and perform tasks for you. Ultimately, you will be able to have something that lives and discovers new knowledge for you, according to The Guardian. In conclusion, ChatGPT provides an advanced and flexible solution for human-computer interaction and can contribute to the improvement and automation of processes in various fields. Considering the continuous development of AI and NLP technology, it is expected that ChatGPT will continue to evolve and become increasingly advanced and accessible in the future. In this lesson, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages that ChatGPT has. Since its first appearance, ChatGPT caused a wave of excitement all over the world. Its use has revolutionized the way people can get information, being adopted more and more by young people who understand its potential. Just like any other software, ChatGPT has advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with the advantages. Access to a vast knowledge base. ChatGPT has access to a wide variety of information and knowledge from a broad range of domains, making it able to answer a variety of questions and provide useful advice. Easy and natural communication. ChatGPT uses natural language processing technology to be able to communicate with people in the most natural way possible, which means that interacting with it can be easy and comfortable. Quick answers. ChatGPT can provide quick answers to questions, which can be useful in situations where people need urgent information. 24/7 availability. ChatGPT is available anytime and anywhere, so users can access the information and answers they need regardless of the time of day or their location. Continuous learning. ChatGPT is an AI model that continues to learn as it receives more data and feedback from users, meaning it will be able to provide increasingly accurate and helpful answers and advice as time goes on. Continuous learning. ChatGPT is an AI model that continues to learn as it receives more data and feedback from users, meaning it will be able to provide increasingly accurate and helpful answers and advice as time goes on. These are just some of the advantages of using ChatGPT, and this technology is constantly evolving, which means it can become more and more useful and sophisticated in the future. As all things tend to have two sides, let's take a look at the disadvantages. Limitations of natural language processing technology. Even though natural language processing technology has made significant progress in recent years, there are still limitations and imperfections in terms of ChatGPT's ability to understand and respond to certain questions and contexts. Errors and inaccuracies. Like any other AI-based system, ChatGPT may make errors and inaccuracies in its responses. In addition, its responses may be influenced by the quality and quantity of input data it receives. Privacy and ethics issues. The use of artificial intelligence technology, such as ChatGPT, may raise privacy and ethical issues regarding the storage and use of user data. Technology dependence. Using ChatGPT may cause some people to become too dependent on technology, losing the ability to search answers through other means. And lack of human context. ChatGPT is an AI-based system, which means it has no ability to provide human context or feel empathy. This may make interacting with ChatGPT less satisfying than interacting with a human being. These are just some of the disadvantages and challenges associated with using ChatGPT and artificial intelligence technology in general. However, as technology continues to evolve, these issues can be gradually addressed and resolved. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be a useful and efficient tool for obtaining quick and accurate answers to various questions and problems. Therefore, while ChatGPT can be helpful, it is important to be aware of its limitations and disadvantages in order to use this technology responsibly and efficiently. We all feel how artificial intelligence makes its presence felt more and more, promising us things that we would have dreamed of a few years ago. So, this lesson we will discuss why artificial intelligence will change every industry. It is normal to have concerns and fears about the development of artificial intelligence, but it is important to understand that this technology can be used successfully and with significant benefits for society. Artificial intelligence is created and controlled by humans. AI is not an autonomous entity, but is created and controlled by humans. In most cases, humans design and program the AI to perform specific tasks or make decisions based on specific data and parameters. In this way, the AI cannot act independently and can be controlled and regulated by humans. In recent years, many rules and ethics have been developed for the development and use of AI, such as the ethics of AI and robots. These are designed to ensure that artificial intelligence is used in a responsible manner and that the impact on people and society as a whole is taken into consideration. Risks associated with AI development can be minimized through regulation, ethics, and transparency. We can also develop and implement monitoring and control systems to ensure it is used responsibly and for the benefit of society. However, many jobs that now seem very stable may disappear in the coming years. If you pay attention to what is happening around you, you will notice that many companies are already investing very large amounts of money to automate repetitive work. Artificial intelligence is a technology that has the potential to revolutionize every industry. This is because this technology can be used to automate processes and tasks, analyze data effectively, improve efficiency and productivity, and create new opportunities for innovation and growth. Here are some examples of industries that could experience a huge leap thanks to the use of artificial intelligence. Medical industry. AI can be used to analyze medical data and identify patterns and trends that could be used to diagnose and treat medical conditions. It can also be used to create personalized therapies and improve the effectiveness and safety of treatments. Transport industry. AI can be used to improve the safety and efficiency of road, air, or sea transport. For example, it can be used to control traffic and improve the efficiency of transport routes, all from a supercomputer. Agriculture industry. AI can be used to analyze data about soil, water, and crops to improve crop production and yield and to reduce water and chemical waste, the whole process being automated. Financial industry. AI can be used to analyze financial data and help make better and faster investment decisions. It can also be used to detect financial fraud and improve the security and privacy of financial data. Media and entertainment industry. AI can be used to personalize content and recommend movies, music, and other forms of entertainment based on user preferences and behavior. This is already happening. It can also be used to create special effects and realistic animations. These are just a few examples of how this technology can change various industries, but there are many other possible applications. As AI technology continues to develop and become more advanced, new ways can be developed to use this technology to improve processes and services across industries. Those who understand this technology will be the ones who will use it to achieve their goals much more simply and efficiently. Artificial intelligence cannot take our place as long as humans evolve and become useful in much more creative ways. Just as entire industries have changed since 40-50 years ago, reaching the stage we see today, artificial intelligence will similarly free people from repetitive and unsatisfying jobs. It is another natural stage of human evolution. Even if you are reluctant in this new technological advance, the main industries will adopt artificial intelligence to increase the quality of services or products. Even if you are reluctant in this new technological advance, the main industries will adopt artificial intelligence to increase the quality of services or products. That being said, see you in the next lesson where we will discuss the reason why artificial intelligence can replace you. See you there.